Look at this container. What do you see? Love? Happiness? Joy? What if I told you that the only thing in this container was lies? Shrinkflation is this concept where they will take goods and services that you normally purchase and they make the goods smaller while maintaining the same price so that they can make more money. You get less stuff, but you spend the same amount of cash. This is a problem. But you know what? I don't think it's that big of a problem because you can at least see, usually, that they are making the goods smaller than they used to. You can witness it. But there are so many products out there that put everything they can toward hiding the fact that you are getting nothing, that you don't get the product that you paid for. These companies are lying to us! So shrinkflation is a problem, but not as big of a problem as the other thing. The other thing is dishonest, and in this case, I'm gonna fix it. Today's video is sponsored by no one. No one has what you need. No one will help you. Enjoy the video. Alright, let's get started. Yeah, I always forget I'm a pack rat that usually has like 1 or 2 million projects going on at once, so let's clear all this off. Be careful with this. Now let's just get all the candy out of this. Shut up, I was hungry. Now, let's tickle this pickle. So that's not going to work. Melting point of... softening point of plastics. We're just going to wing it. We want SMD rework. So, my soldering and rework station I got shipped over from China, and it has temperature readings on it to say how hot it gets. And, yeah, I have no idea if it's in degrees or Celsius. Oh, that smell! Oh, God. No. Oh, yeah! I see warp going on. Ooh, this is hot. Alright, I got it down a little bit, but it looks like there's some rust bits in there. So before we get too far into this... Oh, wow, that was like perfect. We have filled it up to the rim. Let's see how much water that is. Let it be known that we have filled it to 3 2/3 cups. Or, stop wiggling. 850 milliliters. All right, let's put that off to the side and continue on. Oh God, it smells even worse now. Nope, stop. Ah, God damn it, the whole thing warped. I'm gonna die of diabetes. I'm trying to think. I'm going to bet the structure of this thing makes it very difficult for that bottom piece to bend. Yeah. Yeah. Now, how do I plug this in? Ah! You know what? Let's leave that unplugged until I have to actually use it. I don't see this going wrong at all. I think this is going to go perfectly. And I think if you say this is going to go wrong, that's a you problem. And shut up. Oh. This is going swimmingly. Oh, that wobbles a lot. 5-second rule. Please remember, anytime you do anything this stupid, wear safety glasses and work gloves and probably long sleeve shirts, but I don't want to get changed. Oh, I'm going to love editing this later. Okay. You know what? We're going to unplug this, and we are immediately going to plug in a fan. Ow. Ow, hot. So here's the plan. The plan is I am going to put this up to a much higher heat value. And what we're going to do is just hold this steady and push downward while the heat gun heats the plastic. If that doesn't work, oh, I have a headache. You know what will fix my headache? Okay. I see something happening. Something's happening. The plastic is changing. Come on. Oh, wait, kill it, kill it, kill it. There's a little pill bug on here. I'm gonna go back outside. Turning into the Rescue Rangers. I am beginning to have doubts about this method. With effort, I'm sure I could get it flatter than that, but I don't wanna. So now we just need to take our flat bottom and, ow, hot. It doesn't seem to have the same profile anymore. Alright, so that approach failed, so now we're going to go for a bit more of a technical solution. Alright, so it's not a perfect circle, but it's like kind of close-ish. Yeah, we'll see what happens. For the past several years, I've been using Tinkercad for all of my designs, so I figured for this and for all future projects, I should learn some actual design software, so just bear with me as I fail to make a circle. Nope, stop the print, pause the print. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Oh. Is it considered copyright infringement if I whistle? Okay. Now we leave that for a while. Stick that there. Okay, first we're going to test to see if this holds water. Look at that! I did a good seal. Slosh that around a little bit, get it cleaned out. Look at that, we added a bunch of extra space. Oh no. No, it's dripping. No, I see where the hole is. Okay, just... It doesn't need to be perfectly watertight. Let's be real here, it is candy corn. This is holding 1 liter. I forget what number I had before. I will put it on the screen, but it was not 1 liter. It was a lot less. It was like 800 something, I think. So we've added 150 liters of 150 milliliters of extra space. Or, to put that in candy terms, shut up, I was hungry. Yeah, ow. There's like a little bit of plastic here that's like biting me. Yeah, good. Go away. Die, plastic. I would call that a rousing success. I think we got as much candy in here as we possibly could, and it's ready for Halloween. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and all that other stuff. Leave a comment and I will send you that.